Welcome to Old Grump's Garage. Hey y'all, Alan, Old Grump's Garage. We're still working on Project 3100. Did some thinking. We're going to drop the whole idea of the green bean name. We're going to name him Lazarus. Why Lazarus? Well, Jesus raised Lazarus from the dead, and it's basically what we're doing with this 1950 Chevy pickup truck. So what do we got in store this week in this episode? Well, we got floor pans that need to be replaced because they're pretty sketchy. Look like cheese grater stuff. Gonna get on that. Gonna put a patch panel where the pop-up vent used to be. And we've got some whammies that need to be addressed. There's some whammies down this side. There's a whammy on the back of the cab. I've kind of got them circled. Probably going to use the stud welder and the old slide hammer to pull them out and see how we go on that. Hopefully we don't have to end up replacing sheet metal. Hopefully we can just pull it out and make it look good. Gonna plug up the hole over in the passenger side where the filler neck was for the behind the seat gas tank, because we're doing away with that. We're going to use the S10 tank under the bed. When we put a bed on the truck, there should be enough space, I'm hoping and calculating, between the actual bed floor and the frame rail to make a hole in the side of the bed for the 50 in the step side area in the step well to be able to have a gas filler right there and make it look like it's stock, even though that's not how it worked in 1950. That'll give us space behind the seat to adjust the seat, maybe throw some coats back there, put some speakers in, who knows, but get the gas tank out of the cab. So that ought to be enough for at least one episode, right? I'm tired thinking about it. Yeah. Let's get to it. All right, sports fans. Floorboards are in. Kick panel is in. And I welded in the patch that takes care of the hole where the battery in the floor used to be on the original truck. Got a bunch of grinding to do to clean up welds and everything, get everything nice and smooth, but we got floorboards now. You won't bar any rubble with the old truck anymore.